Investing in stocks can be a great way to make money. But, investing in the right stocks is even better. Dividend stocks are an excellent choice because they provide you with a regular income stream and usually have higher dividend yields than non-dividend paying stocks. In this post, we will go over 8 of the top dividend stocks to invest in for 2021 that you should consider buying now. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get started. First is Apple. Apple is one of the best dividend stocks for 2021 because they have a low P/E ratio of 13. The company also has high growth potential with its services division, which continues to grow at an exponential rate. As of May 2021, Apple declared a quarterly disbursement of 22 cents a share, up from 20.5 cents, for a 7% boost. As of April 29, the stock, which yields 0.7%, had a year-to-date return of 0.75%, dividends included. The second is Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson has a low P/E ratio of 15 and yield of about 97 cents per share, which is higher than the average S&P 500 dividend stocks. The company also has an estimated annualized growth rate at around 16%. It's a decent payout, and better than the 1.6% you would get with the average stock on the S&P 500. With well-known Band-Aid brand, Neutrogena, Tylenol, Zyrtec, Benadryl and Johnson's brands, among others, Johnson & Johnson has large pharmaceutical and medical device operations that have allowed it to maintain a steady dividend for nearly 58 years. The third is Coca-Cola. Coke's 2% dividend hike took its annual payout to $1.68. Those who buy at the current stock price will receive a yield of about 3.1%, more than double the average yield for stocks on the S&P 500 index, which is around 1.4%. Moreover, with more than 50 straight years of increases behind it, Coca-Cola is a dividend king, a rare designation. The company must achieve the near impossible to maintain its streak, given that continuing such stability takes significant accounting and management skills. The true colors of Coca-Cola are revealed in the company's success behind other products: Dasani, Smartwater, Minute Maid juices, like Simply Orange, Honest Tea, Powerade, Vitamin Water and more. For this reason, some may consider Coke to be among the safest dividend stocks in the world because of its product diversity and multiple revenue streams. The fourth is Target. Target offers investors a 1.5% dividend yield, which falls roughly in line with other S&P 500 stocks. Target has raised yearly dividends for at least 25 straight years and is likely to become a dividend king this year. This company has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders for at least 50 years. As of last year, there were only 27 companies that could make that claim. Target is a successful retail company. It has done an excellent job of growing its online and omni-channel sales in order to adapt to changed behavior brought on from the pandemic. The fifth is McDonald's. The company's upcoming dividend is $1.29 a share, following on from the last 12 months when the company distributed a total of $5.16 per share to shareholders. Based on the last year's worth of payments, McDonald's has a trailing yield of 2.2% on the current stock price of $231.24. McDonald's corporations were able to thrive during the pandemic, while many other regions faced difficulties and even stricter restrictions. In full year 2020, the company's U.S. comparable sales rose 0.4% despite 2020 being arguably the worst year for the restaurant industry in decades. The sixth is Kraft Heinz. Kraft pays its shareholders a high annual dividend of 3.7%. You could earn $740 per year from this stock with a $20,000 investment. The dilution EPS of 0.46 in the period ending March 27 also leaves room for Kraft to cover its payment of 40 cents every quarter. Kraft could be a solid stock for your 2020 portfolio. The seventh is CVS. CVS is the eighth on this list with a stock price of $85.47 and an annual dividend of $2. Their annual dividend yield is 2.35%. COVID-19 pandemic is helping CVS core operations to grow steadily. The company has been able to administer over 10 million coronavirus tests, 700,000 vaccines and is soon administering to more than 40,000 homes. The 8th is Chevron. Chevron pays an annual dividend of $5.36 per share, with a dividend yield of 4.97%. Investing in Chevron Corporation might be a good idea as global oil demand rises and COVID-19 vaccination rates rise in the US and Europe. Conclusion: if you are looking for great dividend stocks to invest in 2021, this list is a good place to start. These 8 companies all have low P/E ratios and some of the highest yields on record. We hope this post was helpful, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and like our page.